Difference between condition precedent and condition subsequent. A condition precedent can be defined as a condition which is supposed to be fulfilled or satisfied to create a right obligation relationship between the two parties. Means here the condition must be fulfilled before giving the bequest to a legatee. While in the condition subsequent is a condition which is supposed to be fulfilled or satisfied to excuse a party from the contractual relationship, which means creation of an obligation on them. Means such relation creates an obligation on the parties. A condition precedent always comes before the creation of an interest, but in this condition subsequent, it always follows the vesting of an interest which is already complete. In this, the vesting of the estate is postponed till the performance of the condition precedent. But in the condition subsequent, in this case, vesting is complete and not postponed. An estate is not in the grantee until the condition precedent is performed. Means when will the legatee or the grantee will get the estate? When the condition precedent is performed. But in this condition subsequent, the estate immediately vests in the grantee and remains in him till the condition is broken. In the case of condition precedent, transfer will be void if the condition precedent is impossible to perform or immoral or opposed to the public policy. In the case of condition subsequent, the transfer becomes absolute and the condition will be ignored if that condition is impossible of performance or immoral or against the public policy. In this case of condition precedent, when condition is void, then whole legacy is void or invalid. When condition is void, legacy is void. But in condition subsequent, in this case, when the condition is illegal or void, then the condition is void, then also the legacy is valid. The condition precedent must be valid in law. And in this case of condition subsequent, the invalidity of the conditions can be ignored. Difference between condition precedent and condition subsequent.